All right, so we are officially and legally back on the road now. Just went through inspection today. It's got nice new stickers on it. It's been rainy today. Just took it out for a drive. Now it's all dirty. But hey, that's what it's for. We even got it through with the Momo steering wheel. We got the old cruise control lever is now the horn button. Got nice new stickers on it. Fire it up here. So, in case you don't know, on some of these cars they have cruise control, and this is the lever for it. This is how you control it. And basically what I did was I ran the two horn wires to this. So now that honks the horn, and that's all nice and legal. So we get to keep our Momo steering wheel. I had the cover mounted back on it last night, and unfortunately this steering wheel adapter, close the door to make the beeping stop. The steering wheel adapter is just slightly too long, so I took the cover back off. I mean, you could steer with it, but it would go when you turn the wheel. So probably what I'm going to end up doing is just taking a flapper wheel to this and, you know, clearancing it so it fits, so we can put this all back together and it'll all be good. But there you go. A legal 450 horsepower in a 944. Ha!